Hey there, welcome back to Finance Talk. Today, we've got a game plan to help you keep those grocery bills in check without sacrificing the goodness on your plate. Yup, we're diving into the world of how to save money on groceries. Stick around, 'cause we're about to sprinkle some money-saving magic your way. Section 1. Planning and preparation. Create a budget. First things first, let's talk about making a budget. A budget is like a roadmap for your money. Take a look at your wallet, figure out how much you can spend on groceries each month, and stick to it. It's like having your own personal shopping coach. Make a meal plan. Meal planning is our secret weapon. It's like putting together a puzzle of deliciousness. Plan out your meals for the week, based on what's on sale and what you already have. This way, you won't end up with a mountain of unused veggies and half-empty boxes. Write a shopping list. The magical shopping list. This little piece of paper, or your phone, will be your shopping superhero. Jot down what you need before you hit the store. Stick to the list, and you'll avoid those sneaky impulse buys that can make your budget go poof. Section 2. Smart shopping. Compare prices. Time to put on your detective hat. Compare prices at different stores or even online. Sometimes, the store next door has the same stuff for less dough. And hey, those extra savings can add up faster than you can say, coupon. Use coupons and loyalty programs. Coupons are like tiny money gifts. Hunt them down in newspapers, online, or even in your mailbox. Also, make friends with loyalty programs. They give you discounts and rewards for being a loyal shopper. It's like a pat on the back from your wallet. Buy in bulk. Bulk buying is like buying happiness in large quantities. When you buy things like pasta, rice, or beans in bulk, you get more for your money. Just make sure you have enough space to store them. No one likes a pantry avalanche. Shop seasonally and locally. Meet your local farmers market, your budget's best friend. Seasonal produce is fresher and often cheaper. Plus, you're supporting local farmers. It's a win-win for your taste buds and your wallet. Section 3. In-store strategies. Stick to the perimeter. Imagine the store is a racetrack. Stick to the edges, where the fresh foods hang out. That's where you'll find fruits, veggies, and dairy. The center? Well, that's where the packaged and processed stuff likes to party. Avoid impulse buying. Imagine, you're shopping on an empty stomach and suddenly, chocolate-covered everything looks irresistible. Whoops! Eat before you shop, and your cravings won't steer you off course. Check unit prices. Let's do a little math. Unit prices show you how much something costs per pound, ounce, or liter. It's like finding the gold value of your groceries. Compare those numbers and pick the best deal. Section 4. Cooking and meal prep. Cook at home. Put on that apron and channel your inner chef. Cooking at home is a money-saving wonder. It's like turning your kitchen into a 5-star restaurant. Try simple recipes and let your taste buds dance. Use leftovers creatively. Leftovers aren't boring, they're exciting second acts. Turn yesterday's dinner into today's lunch. Think stir-fries, soups, and creative combos. Less waste, more yum. At the end you did it. Now you're a grocery-saving superstar. Remember, planning, comparing, and cooking are your trusty sidekicks in this money-saving adventure. Thanks for joining us today. If you like these tips, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving magic. Until next time, happy budgeting, and stay savvy. That's a wrap, folks. If you want more money-saving tips, check out our other videos right here. Don't forget to follow us on social media for daily doses of budget brilliance. Catch you later, Money Maestros.